Hello everybody, thank you for watching. I'm gonna open this here box of 1996-97 Bowman's Best. Just got it from Charm City. Just for the record, this is the number ending in 11. Here we go. I'm hoping to get something like a good Kobe rookie, Jordan, Dennis Rodman. Obviously some sort of refractors or something like that. We'll see what happens. Let's see if we get lucky. Let's see, this should be I believe 20 packs. I don't think it is. So this is 9, 10 and 20 packs. Okay, so we're good on that one. Here we go. Fingers crossed. Oh, we've got sticky ones. This is John Stockton. Oh my God. Larry Johnson. Rod Strickland. Nothing special there. Lorenzo Wright. Todd Fuller. Is that a rookie? I'm not sure. Priest Lauderdale. That might actually be a rookie. Whoops. Right. Anthony Mason. And we've got here, this is a pretty nice one. Oh, please, you're so sticky. This is not good. Penny Hardaway. Bowman's Best Shots. That's pretty nice. And John Wallace. I believe that's a rookie too. Tony Delk. Rookie. Allen Iverson. That should be a rookie. And Arvydas Sabonis. Still waiting for the first refractor. Another Tony Delk rookie. Joe Dumars. Joe Smith retro. Okay. Not numbered. Reggie Miller. Avery Johnson. And Martin Millsap. Who he? Sharif Abdurrahim, he should be a rookie. Ah, first refractor. Gary Payton. And Kenny Anderson. Tim Hardaway. Brian Stith. Sean Bradley. I'm getting really all the mega stars first here. Come on, give me a Jordan or something. Allen Iverson rookie again. Jerry Stackhouse retro. David Robinson. Kendall Gill. Joe Smith. And Zydrunas Ilgauskas rookie. Latrell Sprewell, Chris Webber retro, and BJ, unfortunately in his Warriors uniform. Tim Hardaway, Eric Dampier, and Damon Stoudemire retro. Oh, I've got a Rodman. There he is, Dennis Rodman. Just a regular. Terrell Brandon. And Jerome Williams, rookie. Just to the side. Still no sign of a Jordan or a Kobe. Come on. Please. Allen Houston. Okay. Grant Hill, best shots. That's not bad. And Chris Webber. Ah, finally. Jordan. Well, first, Antoine Walker. I think that's a rookie. Yep. PJ Brown. And let's see what kind of Jordan it is. I think it's just a regular. Yep. But there he is. Michael Jordan. Whew. Well, that one paid off at least. Brian Stith. Otis Thorpe. And Grant Hill retros. Nice one. Brian Grant. Donald Whiteside. Okay, rookie. And Antonio McDyess. Vlade Divac. I think I've got an atomic refractor in this one. Let me just pop that to the last. Charles Barkley. Let's see what it is. Oh, sweet. Sweet. Shaquille O'Neal retro atomic refractor. This is pretty sweet. Nice one. Now all that is left, apart from that one pack and this one here, is getting a Kobe. So let's see. Mookie Blaylock, base. Patrick Ewing, base. And Dana Barros, base. Fingers crossed on the last one. It's not on the back and it's not on the front, so fingers crossed. John Stockton, Clifford Robinson, and Allen Iverson. Oh well, that's it. Pretty good pull on the SHAQ, and I've got a Jordan and a Rodman, so I'm happy with that. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.